Hi, my name is Kenny Duncan, North American Artistic Team Leader. Today, I want to share with you step-by-step how to do a buzz cut. If your clipper cutting experience is fundamental, then this video is for you. Our goal is to make sure we increase your clipper cutting knowledge and increase your clipper cutting confidence. Let's create together. Step 1. Combing and analyzing. Comb your client's hair to determine the growth stream and density of their hair. Knowing this information will help us determine which attachment comb to use for their buzz cut. Now that you have completed step 1, combing and analyzing, let's move on to step 2. Step 2. Choose the desired length. Choose the length of hair desired to remain and then select that attachment comb that will be used to achieve that length. If the desired length is unknown, start with the largest attachment comb, number 4. Place your selected attachment comb on the Andis Ultra clip with the teeth of the attachment comb touching the teeth of the clipper first. Then press the heel to the attachment comb onto the heel of the clipper blade. Listen for a snapping sound to assure it's secure. To ensure all hairs are cut to the exact lengths desired, push the lever on the left-hand side of the clipper north. This will maximize the amount of cutting action that takes place with the exception of what the attachment comb protects. If your client's hair is detangled and you desire to increase the length of hair remaining, move the black lever south. Once you have decided on the desired length, you can move on to the next step. To hold your Andis Ultra clip correctly, hold your tool horizontally with your thumb on the top of the clipper and your 4 fingers underneath the clipper with the clipper blades pointed north. Use your thumb to turn the clipper on by moving the black button on the left-hand side towards the blade. To perform overlapping clipper strokes going against the grain to ensure an even buzz cut. Repeat this process around the entire head. This is called bulk removal. When you are satisfied with an even haircut, you can move on to step 4. Step 4. Outlining. Hold the Andis Headliner 2 trimmer with the blades facing south and your thumb slightly behind the trimmer blade. Remove excess hair from the hairline with the trimmer all the way around the hairline. Be conservative if you desire to keep the hairline natural. If you desire a more artistic look, be a little bit more aggressive with the removal of the excess hairs. When using the trimmers, make sure only a small amount of pressure is being applied. If you are satisfied with the finishing touches applied so far, we are complete. If you desire to trim the hairs a little bit closer, move on to the optional step 5. Step 5. Shave the stubbles. If your client requests a cleaner finish because small hairs can still be seen, use the Andis Profoil shaver to shave the stubbles of hair that may be visible. Hold the Profoil shaver slightly below the desired area to be shaved. Then use upward motions with a small amount of pressure to gently remove the stubbles. Listen for the hair to be cut and move on to the next area when the sound of the hairs being removed have decreased. Once the entire outline or desired area to be shaved is completed, you are done. There you have it. In a few quick and easy steps, you've created a buzz cut. If you've seen any of the latest and greatest clippers, trimmers, and shavers from the Andis company that you don't have, you can get yours today at andis.com or your nearest local retailer. Please remember, with Andis, we make it easy to take your DIY style to the next level. Thanks for joining us.